Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use SOCKS5 Proxies on Android using SOCKS Droid app. You can download the app from the Google Store. Also, you can find the link in our blog. Check the video description below. First, go to your purchase SOCKS5 Proxies. For this video, I will use dedicated SOCKS5 Proxies. Copy the proxy IP and port and add them to SOCKS Droid. You can create multiple profiles if you want to switch between proxies easily. After that, check username and password authentication and write your username and proxy password. You can find them in the right sidebar inside your account. The proxy password can be changed to be easy to remember. After filling all the required fields, enable SOCKS Droid and check your IP. As you can see, the IP was changed with the one we set up in SOCKS Droid. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.